Not long ago, I was spending 20 hours a week just drowning in busy work, manual data entry, writing the same 5 emails over and over. You know the drill. My days were a blur of spreadsheets, and my outbox was basically a shrine to copy and paste. I was convinced I needed to hire someone just to handle leads from my website. I had become the bottleneck in my own business, and honestly, I was burning out. And now, I have an AI sales bot that handles all of it for me. It qualifies leads, drafts personalized follow-up emails, and tells me exactly who to focus on. It's like having a sales assistant who is always on 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this for yourself, step by step. And the best part? We'll use simple drag and drop tools. You do not need to write a single line of code. Let's get one thing straight. I am not a developer. I run a small consulting business, and my growth wasn't being limited by my skills, but by my time. Every new lead was a blessing and a curse. Exciting, but also the start of a soul-crushing manual process. My aha moment came when I realized I was the one acting like a robot. I was just following a script. If a lead said X, I'd send email A. If they mentioned Y, they'd get email B. And I thought, if I'm acting like a robot, why can't a robot do this for me? That's when I finally got serious about the world of no-code automation. By 2026, these are no longer simple toys. They're incredibly powerful platforms that let you connect your favorite apps, your email, your forms, even AI models like ChatGPT to build intelligent workflows. Think of them as digital Lego blocks. Each block is an app, and you get to snap them together to build whatever you need. The core idea is simple: create an AI agent or a bot that takes over the repetitive tasks that drain our energy. An AI sales assistant handles things like engaging new leads and drafting follow-up emails. This isn't about replacing people, it's about giving yourself superpowers by building a machine that handles the grunt work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working system that captures leads, uses AI to analyze their needs, and draft a perfectly tailored response, and then puts that draft right into your Gmail. Okay, before we start building, let's look at the blueprint. It's actually way simpler than you think and has just 3 parts. First, the trigger. This is the starting pistol that kicks everything off. For our sales bot, the trigger is a new lead filling out a contact form. Second, the action. This is where the magic happens, the AI's brain. When that form gets submitted, the data will be sent to an AI model. We'll use OpenAI's GPT model through a platform called Zapier. We'll give the AI a very specific set of instructions, a prompt, that tells it how to act like a world-class sales assistant. Finally, the output. That AI-generated email will be automatically sent to our Gmail and saved as a draft. This is a crucial step, especially for beginners. You always have the final say. The bot does 90% of the work, but you do the final 10%. A quick review before you hit send. We're going to build this entire machine using Zapier. Zapier is one of the most popular no-code tools, acting as the glue that connects thousands of different apps. Its free tier is a fantastic way to get this started. All right, enough talk. Let's get our hands dirty. I'm going to share my screen, and we'll build this thing together from absolute scratch. First things first, let's get focused. A common mistake is trying to make your bot do everything. Don't. We'll focus on one specific high-impact task: qualifying new leads and drafting the first follow-up email. To do that, we need to capture our leads. I'm creating a simple Google form called New Project Inquiry. The trick is to ask questions that give the AI what it needs: name, email, website, and the money question. What is the biggest challenge you're facing? This last question is the fuel for our AI. Now let's head over to Zapier. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free one. Once you're in, just click Create Zap. Our trigger is the Google form we just made, so search for and select Google Forms. The trigger event will be New Form Response. Zapier will test the trigger by pulling in the last submission. Once that test data is pulled in, we're ready for the fun part. This is where our bot gets its brain. Click the plus button to add a new step and search for OpenAI. The action event we'll choose is Conversation. This lets us give our AI a detailed personality and a clear job to do. This prompt is the most important part of the whole setup. You have to be specific. You are Apex Bot, an expert sales rep. Analyze their challenge, draft a personalized email. Now in the message field, we'll insert the data from our Google form. This feeds each lead's unique problem directly to the AI. Our AI has now written the perfect email draft. The final step is getting it into our hands. Add one more step in Zapier and select Gmail. The action will be Create Draft. Connect your Gmail account, map the data, to field, subject, and for the body, select the reply from the OpenAI step. Now we wait just a few seconds, and boom. Let me switch over to my Gmail, and there it is. A brand new draft waiting for me. It's personalized, it's relevant, and it's genuinely helpful. That took all of 30 seconds to create. If this was helpful and you're ready to automate the repetitive parts of your own business, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.